Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Aisha from Bags of Style. In today's video we have an unboxing. Anyway, if you guys are new to my channel, what are you waiting on? Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, come join the family. We talk about everything bag related, from contemporary all the way to luxury. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. And let's get into this unboxing. Yes guys, so like I stated, we have an unboxing. I don't know how to feel about this, but when we get into, you see exactly what I mean by this purchase. Okay, so on the other side it has my address, but I wanted to show you guys how it came packaged like this. So once I get it out of this, you will know exactly what brand it is. Okay, so okay, so as you guys can see, it's from Dress Up Your Purse. This item has been very popular, and it's been very popular in social media. So I wanted to pick it up because I really wanted to see what the whole hype was about. This is one of the items that they did include as part of like a free gift. Oh, and I didn't know they included a wipe too. Nice cleaning wipe. That's good. So this, as you can see, it says Melody Cecile Dress Up Your Purse. And I've seen a lot of unboxing and I've seen a lot of hype about this. So I wanted to, you know, get my hand on this. And this item has been sold out. It seems like it's always sold out when it come out and stuff like that, especially in this colorway. So I was excited to, and I was gonna buy two, but I was like, Aisha, don't get yourself, don't, you know, overdo it. See if you like this, and then you can get it. So as you can see, it's the Petite P15 in the buttercream. So let's open this. Okay. It weighs a good amount. I'm just checking everything over, make sure there isn't any, you know, any issues or anything. Okay. All right, so as you can see, like I stated, so this is the Dress Up Your Purse. But as you can see, I think the initial ones that she released, it did say Dress Up Your Purse. Now it has her name Melody Cecile on there. So I'm like, okay, I'm impressed. Let's see. So as you can see right here. Okay, let's see. So it does come with two straps. I just want to make sure there isn't anything, you know, wrong with the stuff and things like that. Okay, let's see. So it look like there's a, so it look like where the only thing I see right here, I don't know if you guys can see it, where it connect, like the threading, there's like a little opening. I'm not sure if it's supposed to have that. Let me just look on the other side, just make sure there isn't anything else on here that's wrong. Okay, so I'm just inspecting it as I go in. So as you can see, and when I unbox it, come on guys, so this literally reminds you of the Louis Vuitton, the Pochette Metis, the East West, which is the smallest, the smaller size of it. Yeah, you guys know I had a Pochette Metis. I ended up selling that. I had the one in the reverse monogram. I ended up selling that. I was interested in getting the Pochette Metis, the East West, the smaller one, because I thought, okay, maybe that will work a little bit better for me than the canvas one. And I was thinking about getting it in leather instead of canvas. I wasn't really impressed with the Pochette Metis, the reverse monogram, because like when it sit, it slouch on the bottom, and that really like irked me. So that's why I end up selling that. So when this came out, so this is the Paris 15 as they call it. This is the smaller size. They also have I guess, is it so this is the Petit Paris 15. They also have the Paris 15, which is the one that look just like the Pochette Metis, the same size and everything. This one is supposed to resemble the East West. So I was like, oh, okay, well, let me get it and see if I like it. If, you know, because I've seen a lot of review about this, and I was like, okay, I want to know what the hype is about. You know, I was like, let me get it and see if the hype is worth the hype. I do love the inside. It feel like it's like a cloth material on the inside. Yeah, it feel more like a terry cloth type of material on the inside. I don't know if that's exactly what they made it with, but I'll put the description on the screen of what they made it with. But it does feel like a terry cloth material on the inside. I love the closure right here, even though it reminds you of the S closure, but I love this little, you know, detail on this end right here, which I think is so amazing. And then you just clip it like that and it clip. And that was another thing with the Pochette Metis. When you try to close it with nothing in it, it literally would not close, and I was so irked about that. So like I said, it do come with 2 straps. It comes with the crossbody, you know, this one I think is the canvas. Yeah, this is a canvas strap right here. Let's get this. So this is the canvas strap, which I think is such a great, I love the fact that they put a canvas and an all leather strap, because some people don't like canvas strap. That's a lot of complaint. And their hardware is more of that shiny gold type of hardware, but they did say that they use the same leather, like the same leather that Hermes use. And I could tell you, just holding it, it does have a substantial weight on there, which I'm happy. Like, I'm happy that it does, because it doesn't feel cheap, which is really, really good. So let's put this. Now let's get this. So this is the leather strap right here, which I think is beautiful. And after watching this, I love the fact that you see when you adjust it, you can adjust it and actually clip it. So let's see. So if you want to clip it right here. So as you can, sorry, I didn't even know I was in frame. So you can clip it right here when you're adjusting it, or you can adjust it a little bit more. So I think this is more, it's an adjustable kind of situation. So if you want to do it like that, let's see, which I think is really, really, I think it's a smart move. Let's see. So you can clip it. Ooh, it's hard to clip though. Okay, let's see. Okay. So this is how you adjust it and things like that. So let's move this in. Okay, like that. So you clip that, and then you clip this. So you can make it either a short shoulder strap, which I just did right here, or you can make it a long shoulder strap. And I think that is just so smart. I love the fact that they did that. This literally remind me of my Hermes Kelly belt. I love this kind of, like, you know, interchangeable, where you can actually adjust it to what you want it to be without having to, you know, be like, oh my god, it's too short or it's too tall or whatever it is. You can adjust it to a very short shoulder strap, or you can adjust it to a long crossbody strap. I think this is really, really smart. So I'm happy about that. And as I said, this was a free gift. I wish it was a different color instead of black, but you couldn't choose. It was just random, because they were saying this is like the extra leather material that they made into like a little heart. And I think it's cute and everything, so you can, you know, attach it to like over here or something. But I wish it was a different color instead of black, because I mean, it does go, because it's both two neutral colors. But I do wish it was a different color, like maybe like a pink or something like that. But hey, beggars can't be choosers, right? But I love this. I am impressed. First impression, I am very impressed. This is well made. Like, I love the pebble, oh my god, this is just chef's kiss. I love the bag so far, right? Like, I'm still inspecting, make sure there isn't anything that's like out of whack and everything. And just the stitching, it looks so good. Look at the stitching, guys. Look at that. Let's appreciate this bag. Look at this. It is well made, guys. And I love the fact, like, it literally is the Pochette Metis East West, but in leather format without LV monogram embossed on it. But I love this, and I'm happy I went with the buttercream, because I was torn between going for this color or going for like a brown, the tan color. I'm happy I went with this color because I have another bag that took the place of this one, well, the color. So probably by the time I post this video, I would have already posted my other unboxing, which is my Hermes Picotin 18 and the gold on gold. I am so addicted to that bag. Oh, but anyway, so I just wanted to do this quick unboxing so you guys can, you know, see what my first impression is. First impression, I'm very impressed. That's my very first impression. I am very, very, very impressed with this bag. I think it's well made. It looks really good. The buttercream is just beautiful. So I really cannot wait to, sorry about the shaking. I really cannot wait to implement this into my collection. I did pre-order this. I think it took maybe over a month or something, over a month or a month and a half for it to come. I honestly speaking, I forgot that I pre-ordered this because it was so long ago, but I am impressed. I am happy for the wait. I am impressed. Like I told you, I'm not sure if it's available. I'll link, I did get a coupon code. I'll link it on the description below. So you can use it if you guys are interested in buying this bag from Dress Up Your Purse. I'll link my information below so you guys can use my discount code. It does help. I'm excited about having a discount code with them, but it does help, you know, it gives a little bit of a, you know, if you guys use it, it helps out, give me a little bit of an income from the sale and stuff like that. But guys, I am impressed with this. I would so far I would recommend it with just first impression. I'm not sure how it's gonna wear over time, but for my first impression, I would definitely recommend this. I think it's so cute, and instead of going to spend like over like almost $3,000 for this one in Louis Vuitton, I think you should try this first and see if you really like this style. You guys know I'm a big advocate to say to try something, to try a dupe, and all of these brands, they copy each other when it comes to design. So don't, you know, yes, they do. But I love the fact of the type of leather that they use, the same Hermes leather, the Turian's leather, the Turian leather, Togo leather kind of thing, because they said it was like Togo leather and stuff on the website. So I am excited. I'm excited for this new bag in my collection. All right, guys. So also leave it in the comment below. Do you guys have this Dress Up Your Purse or Melody Cecile Dress Up Your Purse, the Petite P15 bag? Let's have a discussion below, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.